Hello guys, this is Binky here from How to PC. Today I walk through how to download and install the Google Chrome browser. Step is very easy. You go to any browser and hit Chrome, click on it, and you go to a official website, download Google Chrome, click on it, and you see download Chrome. You see we're set up with download and click on it and double click to open the Chrome and click yes. Waiting for the download. See, take 8 seconds, 7 seconds. Installing is beginning. You see, we have successfully installed Google Chrome, and this video for today. Hope you have it for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.